today we're going to be unboxing the July? Oh my god, we're in July. Okay, we're going to be unboxing the July Kinder Beauty box, so if you would like to see what we got, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so yes, like I said, we're going to be unboxing this month's Kinder Beauty box. If you don't know what Kinder Beauty is, I will of course link everything down, or list all of the information down below. But it is a cruelty-free vegan monthly beauty subscription that you get every single month. It is fantastic. This is my favorite vegan subscription box. I've told you guys this a million times. I will also link put my link down below. Okay, so yes, I do have an affiliate link. However, this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to make this video. I pay for this box every single month. It is not sent to me for free. So yeah, you don't have to use my link. You can use another YouTuber's link if you would rather, or not use the link at all. You can just go to kinderbeauty.com, I think, or Kinder Beauty box. I'm not sure, but you can just go to their website and do it. It's such a fantastic brand, a fantastic box. I love it. Cannot say enough good things. Okay, let's get into this one's box. So the very first thing I'm pulling out of here is this Shea Atmosphere Protection Lightweight Firming Moisturizer. This is such a great brand, so I'm so excited for this. And it says, this pollution barrier is the perfect take everywhere moisturizer. The lightweight formula provides barrier protection against extreme climates, wind and air pollution. Antioxidant-rich oils and organic seaweed firm the skin, leaving a silky finish. It's even the ideal primer for makeup. After cleansing skin, simply apply your preferred serum, then massage this glorious cream onto your glorious face. And it retails for $18. And it just looks like this. Their packaging is, of course, beautiful, even for the minis. Like, come on. And I'm so excited for this. You guys know I love skincare. Love it. So the next thing is also from Shea, and it's this Ocean Cleansing Milk Calm and Smooth. Or soothe, not smooth. I mean, maybe it smooths. Who knows? Melt away makeup and environmental debris with this fragrance-free cleanser. It visibly reduces redness while restoring natural hydration to the skin. Yes, I love that. I love that. This smooth formula is enriched with nature's best skin soothers, water lily and rose. This pH balanced formula removes impurities without irritation. Simply apply Simply apply face cleanser to damp skin to remove makeup, pollutants, and impurities, and rinse with warm water, and it retails for $18. And again, same beautiful frosted glass packaging. So excited for this. Next is this Sonage. I'm not sure if I'm sure I'm butchering that, and I'm so sorry. Saffron Energizing Vitamin Mask, Ultra Replenishing Complexion Booster. And it says this hydrating nutritive mask provides moisture to dry, dehydrated skin while hugely benefiting sensitive skin. This perfect blend of emollients nourishes the epidermis, while ginseng, saffron, and CoQ10 energize and provide that natural glow. Rare Kashmiri saffron acts as an anti-aging game changer, while botanical-rich paste strengthens the skin's resistance to daily damage. Best of all, this mask brilliantly helps to visibly firm and lift the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, which I freaking love. And it retails for $60. So excited for this. Again, you guys know I love skincare. Gotta take care of that skin, guys. It's your biggest organ and it protects all the other organs. But yeah, so very excited for this. Next we have a brush that's actually a Kinder Beauty brush, which is awesome. Amazing Kinder Beauty. So it says it's the Kinder Beauty treatment I cannot talk. It's the Kinder Beauty treatment brush. Handcrafted and vegan friendly, this next level makeup brush is made with luxurious synthetic fibers. It is uniquely designed to deliver product smoothly and evenly without waste, so that you can feel good while applying your makeup and look flawless all day long. And it retails for $20. Ooh, yes. It's this like flat brush and it is so smooth. Yummy. Okay, the last thing in this month's box is this Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Illuminating Primer. It looks like this. And it says, this lightweight primer is rich with coconut alkalines and antioxidant-rich organic base of botanical juices and is infused with an age-defying serum to illuminate skin and smooth the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Did I say illuminate? Illuminate skin. Sorry. Yeah, it just takes your skin away. Just no skin anymore. Can't get much smoother than that. It blurs imperfections for a flawless complexion and a natural, beautiful radiance. Proudly formulated without silicones, this primer is exactly what you've been missing, and it retails for $18. I don't know what that was. But yeah, so it's just a little one, and it looks like this, but I'm very excited to try this out, and if I like it, I'll definitely purchase the big thing of it. That's so exciting. Okay guys, so that was what was in my Kinder Beauty box. However, I do know that they are now releasing 2 variations of the box a month. This is the first time they've done this. Beforehand, it was everybody basically got the same box with slight variations every now and then. This time it's like 2 completely different boxes. I know a lot of people were a little bit uneasy about it. Honestly, though, I absolutely love this box. I believe they had the jasmine and a rose box. I think mine is the jasmine. I could be completely wrong. It doesn't say it here anywhere. So I'm not completely sure. I'd have to actually like go back onto like their blog and like see or something. But regardless, you're going to get a great box. I'm excited with the one I got. I would have been excited with the other one as well, though. I'm not too picky, and they've never let me down so far. And they had to do this because they're expanding as a business, which is so great. I'm so excited for them. They're a great business. They deserve this. So yes, go Kinder. So excited for you. So excited. Yeah, so I liked my box. I was happy with it. Let me know down below if you also get Kinder Beauty and what you thought about your box this month. I can't complain. I feel like a broken record because I say this every time I unbox a Kinder box, but they get it right every single time. Cannot talk. So far, they always get it right. I cannot complain. I think it's great. Like, they know what to give you. I don't know. But yeah, so anyways, don't forget to press that thumbs up button if you liked this video. If you want to see more, just like it, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell on your way out. You need to press the notification bell because if you don't, you won't be notified when I upload, and I upload 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I would hate for you to miss any video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!